up, everybody? My eyes are probably bloodshot. I've been sitting outside of a truck for a couple hours trying to film all of these cars, and I can't talk either. It's cold out there. But now,
out there.
I get to drive the Viper. Travis got to drive. Travis always gets to drive the Vipers.
I get to drive them all.
So, Dave gets to man the Viper now. So let's see what kind of shenanigans we get into.
All right.
Oh, it's clutch? I can't drive a stick.
It's like you have to let it way out. You only have to push it in like 2 inches for it to.
I'm pretty used to 2 inches, honestly. It's pretty normal for me.
Not
this thing is short. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a race car.
2018 Viper ACR is actually the last Viper sold in the United States.
Think we're good?
Yeah. We're good.
Sure?
Yep.
Alright.
Just burn the clutch out.
Hey. We'll replace that later. Dave, what are you doing letting me drive your car, man? You seen what I do?
Oh my gosh. Thanks, Dave, for
Seriously.
driving the cars, the experience all the way around. I mean,
God, this front
when
end is
do you
huge.
ever get to go out and do something like this
Seriously.
without paying like thousands of dollars?
Oh, there we go. That should be nice. Dude, this is an unreal. This is a race car. Let's try that bump. Side note, this car is very low in the front. Be careful. How does she take corners, Travis?
Very great.
Oh man. Go from driving a Tesla to this.
Yeah.
That's a little different. Man, she's stiff.
Yeah, super stiff.
For real.
Everything's small, tight, stiff.
I know. Like, I have enough leg room, but it's like the shallowness of the ceiling. It's very shallow.
Oh, that's perfect. I can see your view and the reflection in the glass.
Gucci. Sunday cruiser, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it's dark back here.
Yeah, you can. I don't know that the headlights are on either.
Oh, is it just the...
It's just the DTRs, I think. There you go.
Where is this monkey? Hey, there we go. There we go.
Now we can see.
This is so crazy. This is unreal. Dude, the Alcantara steering wheel feels so good in the hands. Oh, that exhaust note is so sick.
So what do you think? Super tight steering?
Oh, it's so stiff, but it hugs so well. I'm just not used to like how big the front end is, so I'm like afraid to dive into the corner even though I know it can take it.
It just sticks.
God, you can take corners
missed it.
Missed third! Oh, shit! I'm afraid I'm like going to fifth. The gear's so short.
Yeah, it's not a long throw at all.
No, it's really short. Title of the video, I missed third in a Viper ACR.
Yeah. Learning how to drive manual in a Viper ACRE.
Travis McNutt teaches Dave Van Voors how to drive a manual. God, can't see anything out of this windshield.
I know, it's only like 18 inches of visibility.
For real. Why are we going so slow? Why? Travis, I think we need to buy a Viper.
You think you can get finance for 2 so I can play?
Is it the 2-for-1 meal? So you let me pass them or what?
Yeah, go.
Hit third that time.
It's so clean, the power just
man,
rolls in.
seriously, it just comes in so easily. I couldn't imagine taking this around a track. That'd be so fun. The downforce is real, people. Big old wang on the back.
He was saying there's like 3,200 pounds of downforce on the McLaren whenever it's like running over 100 miles an hour with all the aero.
That's insane. I wonder what the bike is.
This is
We're supposed to
a
go right?
right turn, yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna see if we can race the Demon. Right?
Yeah, I
Before we
mean,
roll with the Demon, why not?
I think so. He did say there's always cops on this road.
Shit.
And we didn't bring the radar detectors from the other cars.
Oh yeah, dancing. God, that sound of the V10. Let's see if he pulls up to us. Come on, Dave.
Yeah, I think you may be coming around over there.
Oh shit. Oh no. That was him. That ain't no rise.
That's our flashing light up there.
Before I turn.
Yeah.
You could literally go like 100 into a corner and then just hit the brakes. And it'll be Gucci.
Straight. Send it.
Like, the car just doesn't care. Oh, shit. Woo!
I did that with you earlier too. It's the next sign on the side of the road. Up there. Checking trackability, acceleration,
Just
deceleration.
Make sure the brakes are working efficiently. Like, these are things you've got to check on when you're driving these types of cars.
Right.
If you don't get on them, how do you know that they're working properly?
Right. Quality.
That's my idea. I don't know. That was unreal.
Yeah.
My mind is blown. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video.
Yeah.
It might have been dark, but I don't know.
No, you can see.
At least you can hear the sweet, sweet sounds of a Viper V10 screaming through the mountainsides of Maryland. Dave, you're awesome, man.
You really are awesome, Dave. Thanks,
Seriously,
man.
probably the coolest person I've ever met.
Yeah, you get my vote.
Coolest car collection, seriously. You got like Europeans, he's got Americans, I mean, he's got a mix of everything. So cool. He's got Germans, yeah, everything. It's so cool. So cool. And like when we're talking about every car is so different. Like you can't explain it. Like you drive the Demon for straight line acceleration and it's still comfortable. Like this is raw. Like this is as raw as it gets.
Yeah, it's not comfortable at all.
McLaren is like, I haven't drove it yet, but I really want to. But
we're gonna go drive that tomorrow.
Best of both worlds, right? McLaren.
I guess I probably won't get to go. If there's 2 people going, I won't get to go. But I already got to drive it, so it's all good.
It's true. As always, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, Vanby39, and we will
make sure and give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Subscribe, share with a friend, and make sure that you also follow Travis McNutt, the Paint Slayer, or this video will not even get posted. Yeah.
Oh, that's the next one.